Hi to all the internationally educated nurses there. I'm Navkiran and I welcome you all to my channel Navkiran's Nursing Classes. Friends, it's been a while that I'm helping internationally educated nurses to achieve their goal to become a registered nurse in Canada, and one part of this goal is conducting a webinar, that is a global webinar in which a lot of nurses usually participate to get first-hand information about how to kickstart their career as a registered nurse in Canada. And this time we are conducting our third global webinar, and this webinar will be conducted on 22nd of May 2021. So, through this webinar we are going to discuss very important things for internationally educated nurses which will be really helpful for them in order to start their career as a registered nurse in Canada. So, it's very important to get first-hand knowledge before immigrating to Canada, because, the wrong things and the wrong information or the misinformation may lead into the wastage of a lot of money and time of yours. In this webinar, we are going to discuss a lot of things related to your nursing career in Canada. In nutshell, we are going to discuss how to become a registered nurse in Canada. So, what are the things that we are going to discuss in this webinar? We are going to discuss in detail about NNAS, when to start NNAS process, how to do your NNAS process, and what are the ways through which you can get your report as early as possible. And what are the things that could be done to get a comparable NNAS report. In addition to that, we are going to give information to our nurses about the various language requirement exams that are being, they are the requirements in order to start your NNAS and even to get your license in Canada. And we are also going to talk about CPNRE, and we are also going to talk about NCLEX RN exam, and even we are going to give information to the nurses about OSCE, that's Objective Structured Clinical Examination, which is one of the requirement for the nurses who do not get a comparable report from NNAS. So in this webinar, there are some of the other things like, what is the best method to immigrate to Canada according to your scenario. And yes, the participants will also be given a chance to ask some questions in this webinar. So if you want to become a part of this webinar, kindly WhatsApp us on the number that is being flashing on the screen, and our team will get back to you. So book your spot today. This third webinar is going to be very, very helpful for you, and I'll be waiting for you to participate in this webinar, and we will interact with each other. We will discuss the doubts that you have regarding your process and all. So don't be misguided. Come to our webinar. I'll see you on 22nd of May. Book your spot. Just WhatsApp on us on this number which is flashing on the screen. My team will get back to you. See you on 22nd of May. Take care.